A tragic news came in last evening where 18 people were killed in the stampede while 11 others were injured in the stampede that took place at the New Delhi railway station yesterday. The cause of the stampede, the exact cause is not known yet, while some say that it was after a wrong announcement that was made. Some say that it was due to the heavy rush of people that were headed to Prayagraj for Mahakumbh that led to the stampede situation in the New Delhi railway station, which killed nearly 18 people. There are several who are injured and are still undergoing treatment at the LNJP hospital. Visuals on your screen show the exact moment, the timeline of what ensued last evening. All right, so crowded platforms led to rush and chaos, which resulted in stampede at the platform. There were visuals of people who were lying motionless on the ground, while others were trying to get hold of them. Virendra Sachdeva, the Delhi BJP chief, met the injured today at the hospital. Along with that, the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla was also at the spot today. However, what is questionable here is that after 14 hours after the stampede took place, no FIR has been registered over the same. 14 hours after the stampede took place, it killed 18 people, is when the high-level committee is at the railway station to probe what ensued yesterday. Let's also have a look at the timeline, the case timeline that led to the stampede yesterday at around 10 p.m. It was at around 9:30 p.m. when the stampede happened at the New Delhi railway station. The time, remember, has been confirmed by the Delhi police officials. 9:30 p.m. is when the incident took place at platform number 14. So platform number 14 and 15 are the two platforms that are under scrutiny right now. 9:55 p.m. is when a call was received from the station regarding the incident. So 9:30 is when the incident took place. 9:55, half an hour later, is when a PCR call was received. At around 9:55 p.m. is also what we know, that 4 fire tenders were rushed to the site. So soon after, half an hour to 20 minutes after the incident happened is when fire tenders were rushed. At around 11:20 p.m., Railway Ministry issued a statement over the stampede. And remember, the first statement that was released was that there was no rumor and that there was no stampede. However, later, as things progressed, we got to know that there was a stampede in which many people had already lost their lives. Now, late at night is when the Director General of our RPF reached the police station. He took stock of the situation, after which at around 12:40 a.m. is when the NDRF team arrived at the site. They shifted the injured people to the hospital. Some were also shifted on a trolley that people shift their luggage with. They were shifted to the LNJP hospital, also the Lady Hardinge hospital. Now at 9:30 p.m. is what we know the stampede took place. Now the exact cause of the stampede is, however, not known yet. Remember, what we do know is about 1,500 general tickets were sold to people who were traveling to Prayagraj to take a dip in the Mahakumbh. Now, there are several questions that are being raised. One, of course, being keeping in mind the heavy rush that the railways could witness. Was there no security deployment at place? Question number two that is arriving is that was there no measures that were adopted by the railway officials, the barricading for that matter, that was put into place to ensure that no untoward incidents take place? There are several questions that are being raised. The negligence is becoming the top focus now, and if the railways did or did not anticipate huge rush at the railway station, especially at a time when devotees are rushing to Prayagraj for the Mahakumbh.
स्पेशल सीपी दिल्ली सीपी जो है वो यहाँ पर